Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore has released the IIT JAM application form. Candidates must fill the application form with utmost care and attention. To help the candidates, we have created this step-by-step video tutorial to explain all the steps of JAM application form. So let's fill the application form of JAM 2021. Visit the official website at jobs.iisc.ac.in and click on Candidate Portal available on the right side of the page. This will open a window where you need to click on the new user, register here, which will lead to the registration page. Now, you are on the registration page. You can start entering your details such as your full name, email address and mobile number. You must make sure that all the details are correct as they cannot be changed after registration. After entering the required details, you will have to enter a password. It must be noted that this password cannot be changed, so be careful when entering the password. After entering the password, check all the details once again and click on the submit button. Now that you have completed the registration process, you can proceed to fill out the application form. JAM application form is divided into 5 sections, which are JAM 2021 exam details, applicant's personal details, address for correspondence, details of qualifying degrees, and upload documents. In the first section called JAM 2021 exam details, you will need to select the exam you wish to appear for in JAM 2021. Then you will have to select 3 exam center. The first and second exam center can be selected from the same zone, while the third center can be selected from any other zone of JAM. Moving on to the next section, applicant's personal details. In this section, you will have to enter your personal details such as your name, date of birth, mobile number and ID proof number. After entering your personal details, you will need to fill your address in the section called Address for Correspondence. Here, you will need to enter your address and its PIN code. You will also need to provide 2 more addresses which are optional. Proceeding to the next section called Details of Qualifying Degrees. You will need your academic details, which includes the discipline of qualifying degree, your year of passing, the name of the college you graduated from and its PIN code. Now, we need to fill the last section of the application form. In this section, you will upload a scanned photograph of yourself and your signature. The photograph and the signature must be in JPEG, JPJ format. The size of the photograph must be in the range of 50 KB to 200 KB, while the size of signature should be in range of 50 KB to 150 KB. Now that you have filled the application form of JAM 2021, but before proceeding to the payment, you should check the details filled in the application form. After checking the details, you can click on Save and View to get a preview of your application form, or you can click on the checkbox beside I accept and then click on Proceed to Payment to submit the application form. Now that you have successfully submitted your application form, your enrollment ID, your name, application number and application fee will be displayed on the screen. You can also download your application form by clicking on the Download Application Form given at the bottom, or you can click on Proceed to Payment to remit the application fee. You can pay the application fee through net banking, credit card, debit card and using UPI. After selecting the mode of payment, you will be shown personal details filled by you in the application form such as applicant ID and application fee. You will need to confirm these details such as by clicking on the Confirm. After clicking on the Confirm, you will need to enter your card details and click on Pay. A one-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number, and after entering the OTP, your payment details will be displayed. Application status. After completing the payment process, your application status will be shown to you with your details. If you want to add more papers, you can do so by clicking on the Add Paper. You can see the whole filled up application form by clicking on the View Application Form. You can download the application form by clicking on the Download the Application Form. This completes your JAM application process.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.